Why polished concrete floors have become so popular. Dear friends, polished concrete floors are a popular option today. They work great in different environments, and there are a number of reasons for this which we will cover here in this video. Consider the following benefits of polished concrete flooring when deciding on the type of flooring for your space. Aesthetic appeal. Polished concrete provides a very appealing smooth appearance which is also free from seams. The surface finish options include everything from satin to high gloss. Cost-effective. A polished concrete floor is usually very doable unless your existing concrete floor lacks structural soundness. It is far more economical to polish an existing concrete floor than to remove an existing concrete floor and install a new one. Easy to clean and low-maintenance. Polished concrete does not require the use of waxes or other coatings, which is one of its key benefits. Also, polished concrete is very low maintenance and easy to clean. The only maintenance task required is to sweep and remove dust and mop the floor once in a while to clean up spilled liquid. Polished concrete is also well suited for areas of heavy foot traffic. Durable and long-lasting. Compared to many other types of flooring systems, polished concrete is stronger and harder. These floors provide exceptional resistance to moisture and abrasion as long as the surface is sealed and finished properly. Polished concrete also strongly resists tire marks from vehicles and equipment, and it will not flake. Fast installation. Relatively speaking, the time required to install a polished concrete floor is short, which results in minimal disruption and downtime for your business. Safe. Even though they have a glossy, smooth appearance, polished concrete floors are safe for customers and employees to walk on day after day. These floors typically have a coefficient of friction greater than that recommended. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.